Hi guys, it's Donna from Old Ways, and all the ingredients you saw we're going to turn them into a pie. Stop. Okay, I'm going to take this. This is 14 and a half ounces. I'm not sure. I only have one pair of glasses on, and you all know I can't see with one pair of glasses. So we're going to take all of this. Make sure you get all the sweetened condensed milk out. And we're going to take one package of Kool Aid lemonade. Okay, we're going to do this if my fingers aren't sticky. Here we go. Okay, dump that in. Now, this right here, and the fourth step that I'm going to do would make your pie. But I like this better. You want to make sure you get that all incorporated in there so you don't have pockets of lemonade. I decided to add some frozen blueberries in here that I had in the freezer from last blueberry season. So we're going to mix this in there because I don't know about anybody else, but I love lemons and blueberry together. Now we're going to take an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. And I left this in the refrigerator overnight so it would be easier to work with. And we're just going to fold this in. Make sure that it's, again, well incorporated. Now this is called a Kool Aid Pie. And I have done this with strawberry Kool Aid. And I took some strawberries that I had and diced them up and put them in there. I've done it with cherry Kool Aid. And I've chopped up a jar of maraschino cherries and put it in there. And I think the next one I'm going to try is to do it with lime Kool Aid and zest some lime in it. What do you think, Steve?
Well, that sounds good.
Okay, so I'll be back when this is all mixed. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, and when you're mixing this, make sure that you scrape the sides and the bottoms really well, because you don't want, again, pockets of lemonade. We're just going to put it into an already made graham cracker crust. And listen, you can do all of this, like if you want to do it from scratch, go right ahead. Make your graham cracker crust, make your own whipped topping. You can do all that if you like. I am just working from what I have in the pantry, in the freezer, and making a dessert. I'm going to spread it out evenly. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. You can even make this the day before. And leave it in overnight. But we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like in 4 hours. Okay, so it's been 4 hours. We've taken the pie out. We're going to go ahead and cut. like I said, you can do this with any kind of Kool-Aid that you have. And you only need to put, you only have to put to make this is the Cool Whip, the condensed milk, and the Kool-Aid, the packet of Kool-Aid. But if we have learned nothing else this year, oh, I guess I have to open this. Stop. If we've learned nothing else this year, what can go wrong will go wrong. It broke. Now, if we've learned nothing else this year, eat the dessert. As always, have a safe and blessed day, and share your knowledge. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us on YouTube. See you later.